Hi guys, VST here at Tech. Lucky day today, 2 videos, but I just received the news that the Oxygen OS Open Beta 2 for the OnePlus 8 series is now here. Of course, already downloaded. Just gonna install it, guys, and test it. Again, I'm very happy to have now the Oxygen OS Open Beta 2 because the first one, as you already know, is based on Android 11 and Oxygen OS 11. So if you want to see all the new goodies and tips and tricks that you can get for the Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11, make sure that you check this video here. But now back to the second beta. I'm gonna read the changelog and then install it, and we're gonna see and test and feel, because you know that not all the things really like bug fixes are exposed to us, the end users. We start with system, optimize some UI display in settings. We're gonna check that one. Fix the low probability issue that we just did not respond, never actually had that issue. Fix the failure to wake up Google Assistant in some cases. Fix the issue that the HD icon on the call log interface was not centered. Fix the black screen issue when user entered tips and support interface, and improve system stability. So far, so good. Clock here. Fix the issue that numbers disappeared in the timer under special circumstances, and most probably one of the most notorious changes that I'm really looking forward to see is ambient display, because they added Canvas feature that can now automatically draw a wireframe picture based on a lock screen photo on your phone. You can view it anytime without waking up the screen, and network optimize the power consumptions of the Smart 5G. So if you don't know, guys, I'm using the OS Oxygen Updater to always make sure that I'm running with the latest updates for my phone. Just gonna go here into settings, system updates, and now press the cog wheel here, and then I'm gonna go to local upgrade, click it, install now. Just gonna leave the phone here and speed up the video for your viewing pleasure, and then we're gonna be back with all the changes that we can see, feel and touch, because you know my motto, whatever is there that I can put it on my phone and I can see it with my eyes and these two hands, guys, that you can see it with your eyes and with your hands. And now the system has been installed and reboot is pending, so I'm gonna hit the reboot button. Guys, if you're doing this for the first time, or you don't have enough experience, while the phone is rebooting for the first time, it will need some additional time to kind of like expand the new ROM on your phone, alright? While my phone is still rebooting, I might use some of your time to showcase my OnePlus 8 Pro Black Cameo or Camouflage Edition. So guys, a lot of people are asking me, hey, what is this skin? You know, it's a deep brand. No guys, it's a very cheap skin. I think even barely $2 from AliExpress. I created a video, you can check it here, showcasing how I customize my phone, you know, using this very nice skin, which is actually also matching with a specific wallpaper, probably already seen that one, and also some custom widgets from KWGD. So if you want to have a look like this, yeah, I will also leave the link down below. Again, I think it's almost like $2. It has a very nice fit, and by the way, it provides a very nice grip to the phone, so why not make yourself the OnePlus 8 Pro Camouflage Edition like I did. But now back here, alright, having entering my SIM, and now you can see actually the matching background, so we have here the wallpaper that actually matches again here the skin, really crazy. Okay guys, let's go directly to settings, customization, and now wallpaper, and see this brand new OnePlus Beta Canvas, alright? So I'm just gonna go here. I'm just going to select the picture. Alright guys, I've selected the picture. This is very important Bulgarian. So what happens if we press preview, analyzing subject? I have recreated the effect, so I will apply it. One thing that is important to be known is while you're using the canvas effect, guys, and you go to display and you want to go here to ambient display, you should know that you are not allowed to use the always on ambient display, alright? So this is the caveat. So if you want to use the canvas, which I think is rather cool, you know, because it really has this like popping up effect. Let's just see it one more time. I mean, the effect really is very nice and dramatic. I kind of like it. Let me just do it once, all right? Boom, you see what happens here. But if you want to use this one, guys, you're gonna lose the ability to use the always on ambient display, which I don't really think is a big trade-off. Now, will I stay with this? Probably not. So guys, I think this really has been probably the most notable thing here in this release from the Oxygen OS Open Beta 2. Again, I'm just gonna do it once and end up the video. If you really happen to like my videos, guys, don't hesitate, subscribe to my channel, come back for more. And with that said, VST over and bye.